everyone, welcome to the URBANITE Kids channel. I am Heather. Today I will unboxing and introduction of our URBANITE case of Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. The URBANITE case has 5 colors: navy blue, pink, yellow, black, and sky blue. These colors will ensure you can choose according to your preference. After opening the received package, you can see that it includes a mobile phone case and a screen protector. For more installation details, please reference our previous video. So now I would like to introduce some great designs for this case. For example, the most important protection part you may care about. URBANITE adopts PC plus TP humidity grading protection, which is durable and ensures grip feel. In addition to providing 360-degree full body protection, the edge protrusion of the screen and camera can effectively ensure the safety of your phone when it's accidentally dropped on the ground. URBANITE also has a no-slip texture design on both sides of the phone case, which can effectively increase the grip and make it easy to hold. And all the functional notches of the case are very suitable for the various mobile phone ports. Today we have introduced all the features of the URBANITE protective case of this model, which is hot sale on Amazon. If you are interested in our products, please click the below link to purchase.